when he became sannyasi, he gave up everything. He gave up all the relationship with his family members. Only one son, he was following him, so he gave initiation to him.
Один сын следовал за ним, и он общался с ним.
So the only thing we need is just chanting. We don't need anything else.
Yeah, we should depend on chanting.
Все зависит от распевания святого имени.
Because sometimes people, it's devotees, because all of our friends are devotees, really, and they say, oh, you should do this, you should make money, you should make plans for your children, and they say, like, if you're not doing anything, you're just like being lazy, just take responsibility. And they make you feel like, the devotees make you feel like you should be doing something more,
What you can do more?
I'm always feeling I'm half dead anyway, I'm half dead, so what's the point? I feel like that, and then, then these other devotees come and they're very enthusiastic about life. They have another thing, oh, life is long, so we're going to make a plan, and I'm just like, I don't know, Why is it when you come, when you come in here, why does everybody feel happy?
Huh?
Why, when you come here, everybody's happy? Why is that?
Когда вы приезжаете сюда, все
I do not know.
Я не
I've
знаю.
got something in my hand. You make everybody happy.
Так происходит, что когда вы приезжаете, все становятся
Why?
счастливы.
People are becoming happy, I don't know.
It's like all the fear, everything goes away.
So many tirthas are described, and this and that result is there. But it is said also that Vaishnava is the tirtha. I don't remember Sanskrit. Tirthapada.
В разных тиртах, и также вы говорили, что Вайшнава это тиртха.
Vaishnava is the tirtha.
যে তীর্থতে বৈষ্ণব নাই সেই তীর্থে নাই যায় কিলাবা হান্টিয়া গুরুদেব in which tirtha there is no Vaishnava,
Той тиртхи, где
so
нет
why go
Вайшнава,
there?
зачем туда ходить?
But if Vaishnava goes outside the tirtha,
Amen?
if Vaishnava goes outside of the known tirtha, like famous tirtha, like let's say Vrindavan, Mayapur, he goes to London. London is the tirtha. Like Prabhupada came here and it became tirtha.
London также становится
Yeah,
тиртхой.
Vaishnava.
Да, когда
But Vaishnava makes
приезжал,
tirtha.
Makes tirtha.
He makes tirtha.
So we actually will get all these results by coming to a Vaishnava. All those.
это результат того, что туда
So
приехал.
we need to go and find those hidden tirthas because we can.
ঠাকুর বৈষ্ণব পদ অবনীর সুসম্পদ সুনো ভাই হইয়া এক মন This is a very famous song.
Это известная песня.
ঠাকুর বৈষ্ণব পদ
Такой Вайшнав пада.
অবনীর সুসম্পদ সুনো ভাই হইয়া এক মন
Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
No, I don't think Bhaktivinoda. ঠাকুর বৈষ্ণব
Нароттама Das Thakur.
Там Das Thakur эта песня.
You read it.
Читайте.
I read translation or I shall read the
Yeah, translation. Very nice song.
Очень хорошая песня.
Oh brother, please hear my words with rapt attention. The lotus feet of the Vaishnavas are the most valuable treasure of this world.
Лотосные стопы.
These Vaishnavas continually take shelter of Lord Krishna and worship Him. They never abandon their Lord. They are liberated. They are free from the cycle of birth and death. The water that has washed the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas bestows devotional service and pure love of God. Nothing else is as effective for attaining this divine love. I place dust from the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas upon my head. I wear no other ornament. The purifying power of the waters of the various holy places of pilgrimage is described in the Puranas. Although this is something of a deceptive trick, actually there is not anything as purifying as the water that has washed the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas. This water fulfills all desires. Moment after moment, my mind finds pleasure in the association of the Vaishnavas. I always seek out the company of those who are devoted to Krishna. Poor-hearted Narottama Das breaks down and cries, "How has this fallen condition came upon me?"
Dino Narottama Kande, Hiya Dharjanai Bande.
Moradasha kena hoilo.
Morodasa Keno Hilo Banga. Okay. Thank you.
Chaitanya Chandra Prabhu.
Jai Shri Gurudev Ki Jai.